First, insert the screw into the hole and start screwing it in. You can screw it in at a slight angle. Screw the screw in so that it comes out the other side of the hole. Screw all 4 screws into the holes. Now all the screws are in place. Now place the legs with the open side facing the hole from which the feed will be poured. And screw the screws into the holes further. Now we have all 4 screws tight. Now the legs are very securely attached to the feeder. Let's continue assembling. Insert the spout for pouring feed. Place it in the bowl holder and insert the bowl itself. You need to download the Tuya app. Open the app, tap the plus sign in the upper right corner, and select Add Device. The app will automatically start searching for the feeder. If the app does not find the feeder automatically, follow these steps. Take the special key included in the kit and press the top button on the remote control. When the button starts flashing red, release the button and your feeder will be restarted. After this, the feeder will immediately connect to the app. Tap on the feeder and enter your Wi-Fi details. The feeder is now connected to your Wi-Fi. Here you can name the feeder as you wish. Now let's add the camera. The camera is almost always added to the app automatically, but if this does not happen, follow these steps. Unscrew the screw on top of the camera. Now press the reset button inside, and the camera will immediately appear in the app. Add the camera by pressing the orange button in the app. That's it, the camera has been added. You can also change the name of the camera. Now the camera is working and you can immediately see the image from the camera. And please, don't forget to screw the screw back into the camera. Now let's see how the dog feeder works. Open the Tuya app and select the feeder. If you just want to pour food, press the on button. To stop pouring, press off. If you will be away for several days, you can set specific feeding times and durations. Go to Inching. Here you can set how many seconds or minutes your food will be dispensed. For example, select 10 seconds and turn on the slider. Now the food will be dispensed for 10 seconds. Next, go to the Schedule tab. Here you can select the days of the week and the time for dispensing food. For example, select Monday and set the time to 11:21, then save. Now let's see how the food is dispensed. 2 minutes have passed, and now the food is dispensed for exactly 10 seconds. If you want your dog to eat 2 or 3 times a day, you can also set a timer. Go to Schedule, select the days of the week, and set the feeding time. Now you have 2 meals saved. If you need to add a third meal, go back to the date and time selection and set the desired time. You can select all days of the week and the feeding time for the first meal, then select the time for the second meal of the day. The feeder will then serve food twice a day at the times you specified. If your dog eats the appropriate amount of food in one sitting, you can use the app to measure how many seconds it takes for the required amount of food to be dispensed from the feeder. To do this, take a scale and measure the weight of the bowl. Then place the bowl in the feeder and turn on the food dispenser. Try setting the timer to 10 seconds to start with. Once the food has been dispensed, place the bowl on the scales and subtract the weight of the bowl. This will tell you how many grams of food are dispensed in 10 seconds, allowing you to adjust the dispensing time. The built-in camera already has a memory card. To view the video recording, you need to go here and here. Then you can find the right time and watch when the dog ate in the recording or watch in real time by the amount of food. Now for the external camera. Its functionality is similar to that of the built-in camera. The difference is that the external camera provides a 360-degree view, and you can also communicate with your dog through the microphone.